The meeting-based content generator is one of the most useful tools for processing meeting transcripts. It helps turn discussions into actionable outputs like summaries, key topics, or detailed action plans. This tool works well in various educational contexts. For example, for teachers, summarize department meetings, CPD sessions, or group projects. For managers and SLT, turn strategy meetings into concise minutes or actionable decisions. For online learning, summarize virtual classes, consultations, or group discussions. Let's explore how this generator works using two examples. Finding this tool is quick and easy. Go to the search box in the top right corner of the dashboard. Type in keywords like meeting. Click on the magnifying tool icon. Click the Use button on the generator card to open it. Teachermatic search tools ensure quick and efficient access to your tools. Now let's walk through the process of using the generator while exploring its features. Paste or upload. Paste your transcript, text, or upload a docs, in other words a Word document or PDF file. Note, uploading SRT or VTT files isn't supported yet, but this feature is coming soon. If it's not live when you see this video, rest assured it's on its way. Let's paste this sample transcript. Particular focus points. This feature is especially useful for minutes of the meeting. Let's add some focus points. Decisions made during the meeting. Press enter. Key challenges discussed. And finally, suggestions for course updates. Additional refinement options. You can further tailor your results using these optional settings. Highlight potential errors or unclear words or phrases for easy review. Filter out small talk and irrelevant text to focus only on actionable content. Now let's look at the required output. Select what you want from the drop-down menu. Options include a summary of the transcript, the key topics discussed, minutes of the meeting, decisions made, a general action plan, an individual action plan for each of the people mentioned in the transcript, and an action plan for one specific person. For this example, we'll start by selecting minutes of the meeting. Click the Generate button, and within moments, you'll have a detailed output. Exporting this to Microsoft Word will give you a better formatted document. Now let's explore another output option. Select General Action Plan from the drop-down menu. Remember, when you switch outputs, you'll need to click Regenerate to update the results. And here's the action plan from the course review meeting. Let's export this once again to Word. You can see from this action plan, it designates responsibilities and timelines and action items. And if you need to make further adjustments, use the Refine button. This feature allows you to rephrase tasks, add more detail, and reorganize the information. It's an excellent way to ensure your results are exactly what you need. Once you're happy with the results, don't forget to save them for future use. Click the Save Output button to store it in your Saved Results section. From there, you can organize your work into folders, revisit it later, or share it with colleagues. This ensures your outputs are always accessible and well organized. The meeting-based content generator is a practical tool that simplifies your workflow, whether you're creating minutes, action plans, or summaries. Keep an eye on the announcement sections for updates, webinars, and new features. And remember, we're working on deep dive videos to guide you through tools like this one in even greater detail. Thank you for exploring the meeting-based content generator with us. As always, we're here to help you focus on what matters most. Happy teaching.